You're deep in a loving, exciting moment together, and then, out of nowhere, the firmness disappears. If you've experienced this, you are definitely not the only one. I'm Aisha, and today we're gently unpacking why this occurs and the steps that can truly make a difference. Everything starts when your body is in its peaceful rest and digest state, the foundation for natural arousal. In that state of desire, nerves send out nitric oxide, a vital signal that relaxes blood vessels and invites strong blood flow. Blood fills the expandable tissues inside the penis, creating fullness and firmness while valves seal it in to sustain the moment. When any link in this chain weakens, staying firm becomes challenging. Here are the 6 key reasons this can happen. The first reason often points to underlying changes in blood vessel health or hormone balance. Scientific studies show men facing these challenges carry nearly twice the risk of heart-related events down the road. It serves as an important early alert. Because the arteries to the penis are significantly smaller, issues tend to surface there well before they affect the heart. So please have your doctor screen for hidden conditions such as high blood pressure, cholesterol problems, diabetes, and check your testosterone with an early morning blood test. The second reason lives in the thoughts. After one difficult moment, the mind often replays it and creates tension the next time. This mental pressure activates the body's stress response, narrowing vessels and reducing blood flow exactly when it's needed. Healing begins with honest communication with your partner and shifting focus to tender connection rather than performance. For many, a low daily dose of a medication like tadalafil offers a quiet boost that helps rebuild natural confidence. Third, over time, the fine nerve endings that detect touch become less responsive as part of natural aging. This can dampen arousal signals to the brain. Exploring fresh sensations such as gentle vibration, temperature changes, or soft textures often helps restore excitement. Fourth, you may simply not have reached complete arousal, even though it feels like you should be there. We are not automatic machines. Allowing more time for mental and physical excitement, plus adding variety, helps achieve the firmness you want. Fifth, some very common prescriptions can quietly impact erectile function without clear warning. Among them are SSRI antidepressants, beta blockers for blood pressure, certain antihistamines, and finasteride used for hair loss or prostate health. Be open with your doctor about the importance of your intimate life. Many times alternative choices or adjustments can be made safely. Sixth, and surprisingly seldom mentioned, obstructive sleep apnea can steadily harm erectile ability. Frequent oxygen dips at night raise stress hormones and lower testosterone, creating conditions that make firmness difficult to maintain. If you snore heavily, feel exhausted despite sleeping long hours, have a neck circumference over 17 inches, or your partner sees breathing stops, consider a sleep evaluation. Losing firmness during intimacy is far more common than most men realize. Yet understanding the true cause brings real hope for change. You don't have to face this quietly. Speak with your doctor or a urologist soon. You deserve clear guidance and the satisfying intimate connection you long for.